Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, the right fishing rod can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best fishing rods on the market, handpicked for their power, precision, and performance across all types of fishing. Let's find the perfect rod for your next big catch. Item number 5. Introducing the Leaden Zoro 145, a super light fishing rod designed for serious anglers. Weighing just 58 grams and measuring 145 centimeters, this carbon-made rod features a titanium tip for precision and strength. With a fast action and one-joint design, it's perfect for cuttlefish, octopus, and squid fishing. Ideal for ocean boat, rock, and beach fishing, the Zoro 145 offers top performance without harmful chemicals. Trusted quality from mainland China. Fish smarter with LEYDUN. Item number 4. Meet the PURELURE Travel Lure Rod, a 4-piece, high-quality carbon spinning rod built for serious anglers. With fast to extra-fast action, FUJI components, and a 1.1mm tip, it's ideal for bass and multi-species fishing across oceans, rivers, lakes, and more. Supporting 10 to 14-pound power, this bait casting rod includes guide rings and reels for smooth casting. Lightweight, sectional, and telescopic, it's your perfect travel companion. Designed in China, made for the world. Fish anywhere, anytime. Item number 3. Introducing the Johncoo Squid fishing rod, a 1.58-meter XUL rod crafted with 30T plus 40T cross-carbon cloth for unmatched strength and sensitivity. Designed with a 9-1 extra fast action, it lets you feel even the slightest fish movement. Ideal for ocean boat fishing, its titanium tip and breathable EVA grip ensure comfort and precision. With zero high-concern chemicals and top-tier materials, Johncoo delivers the perfect blend of performance and durability for cuttlefish and squid fishing adventures. Item number 2. Introducing the PURELURE Zero Spinning Rod, a lightweight, 2-joint sectional rod built for precision and distance. With a fast action, 1.1mm carbon tip, and 1 to 6-pound power range, it's perfect for casting across lakes, rivers, and ocean shores. Equipped with guide rings and reels, it ensures smooth control every time. Crafted from high-quality carbon with no high-concern chemicals, this telescopic rod delivers reliable performance for anglers who demand distance, accuracy, and versatility in every cast. Item number 1. Introducing the Surinoa Daren 2 light game rod, designed for ultimate precision and control. Built from high-quality carbon, this 1.6 meters to 1.8 meter rod features fast action, FUJI guides, and a 1.8mm tip for high sensitivity. Ideal for trout, rockfish, and bass, it supports 1 7-gram lures and 2 6-pound lines. With a 2-joint design and no harmful chemicals, it's perfect for lakes, rivers, and coastal fishing. Experience smooth casting and lightweight performance with Surinoa. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.